I can make money from the comfort of my sofa. So much drive, so much drive, so much drive. Now I gotta get a chauffeur. I can make money from the comfort of my sofa. So much drive, now I gotta get a chauffeur. One day I'll be big, but I know I'm getting closer. Call me Denzel, aka Big O. The world in my hands, cause I took it off your shoulders. Money on my feet, you know I got the from lower. I'm ballin' like Mike when you see him on a poster. Like, yeah, they gotta get one in my holster. Straight. Around and catch a hot one to your temple. Ain't changed but the number on my front door. Around and catch a hot one to your temple. Got a new chain, what you think I brought the strap for?